BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Having just been looking at Biomarin stock, this is for me not the most bullish thing ever. Actually, like just recently I got stopped out of break even here, and looking at the thing right now, it's still a bearish market, still one heck of a bearish market, let's put it this way. It's just that the likelihood the price keeps melting, and if I do see like a second break beneath this low, you bet that I'll be rolling with the sell side as well. You know, I got stopped out of break even because I was already in short, you know what I mean? But if there is a full candle close beneath like the 2-hour, 1-hour chart here, I'm looking to take it further down. And also with BMRN, I also have a bunch of receipts in the Discord. There's really no lack of coverage with this. So I have 10 receipts. Now, if you want to stay tuned, you know, want to get free money making emails and insights, I'll show you how in the first link in the description for free.